Hi everybody, it is Flip Flop Mountaineer welcoming you to another Homestead Hack where I'm going to solve a lighting problem for my outdoor entertaining needs that you're not going to want to miss. If you have a space that needs additional lighting outdoors and you have a budget, you're not going to want to miss this episode. Stick around so I can show you how on a budget you can create lighting for your outdoor space. Well, have you ever been to an outdoor event and thought, I need more lighting, or even hosted one yourself and thought, man, it would be nice to have some ambiance? Well, this project is super easy, very inexpensive, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. This is what I'm using for my project today. This is a candelabra right here. And this candelabra I found at a yard sale for $5. So that's what I'm gonna be using for my project. Now, if you are gonna be doing a wedding or something similar, you can buy something that is like this, maybe in silver, and it would work great for an outdoor space. So let me show you how I did it on a budget, and let's get started. I need your help. Hit that subscribe button right now. Don't wait any longer. It's right there. Just hit that subscribe button and comment on what you think of this video and what you think of these ideas. And if you don't want to do that, well, you can spend a little money and you can support me this way. I've got 2 decals, fresh off the press. We got Country Cooking, Keeps You Good Looking, and Is Your Fly Down. Both right here from Polk County, Tennessee. So do it now. All right, guys, for time's sake, I've started our project, but let me show you what I needed in addition to the candelabra that you're gonna need to have on hand. This right here is something that I ordered on Amazon. This is one that I chose specifically for what I was going for, because not every solar light is created equal. The particular ones I chose have a warm, soft light, but you may have something else in mind, and let me show you how easy it is to do this. All right, this is what I've started, y'all. That's kind of the candelabra and what it's gonna look like, okay? But let me show you how easy it is. This is how you're gonna get these. And I simply just take this top part and not the bottom piece, so I separate the two. So you don't want the stem unless you want a different look. But for my look, I'm taking this off and I'm only using just this top piece. So with this top piece, I just put a little bit of hot glue right around the base, and I take it and I stick it right in here with my hot glue, and it's as simple as that, y'all. Check that out, pretty cool. That is my solar light solution for my outdoor space when I need ambiance if I'm entertaining. Now, if you're doing a wedding, like I mentioned before, you can get these in silver. They don't have to be black. So if you have a silver base on your candelabra, a silver base would be beautiful with these solar lights attached. I do want you to stick around because I do have some other solar light projects that I've done around my property that will just give you some more ideas on if you need lighting and you're on a budget and you're going to be entertaining. So watch these few clips of what it looks like when you can be creative on a budget. This is probably my favorite one so far. Right here, under my red table, if you look up, you'll see a chandelier. Now that chandelier started off inside somebody's house. I picked that chandelier up at a thrift store for $5. It's super big, super heavy. And then what I did was I took my solar lights, and instead of using a hot glue gun on these, I used a clear marine glue. So that might hold up a little bit better in the weather over time, and that one's one that's gonna remain out here and not be able to be moved. So that's what I did right here on my homestead on a budget, and you can too. But this one is also a candelabra that was turned solar lighting. And this is why I did it though. If you see right there, that's my roadside business, and that's in another Homestead Hack video that you can watch as well. I created that cart so that I would have a small business for when my chickens are old enough to get the eggs. And then what I added was lighting on either side. Those were originally for candles as well. And these at night will light up for my roadside business. So it really adds some ambiance. adds a touch that maybe wouldn't be there if I didn't have lighting in the evening time. So that's what it looks like right there by the road. Pretty clever. I really welcome your feedback, and this is another Homestead Hack brought to you by Flip Flop Mountaineer. Like and subscribe.